Alright, hello. Testing. Excuse me. Testing. Hello. Mic volume seems good, I think. Bam. Hello. Good morning. Or afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Hello. Hope you're having a good day. Today, we are doing more Microsoft interview questions. I was actually scrolling through... What's going on here? Oh, I was scrolling through the list of Microsoft interview questions. Man, it's getting harder and harder to find questions that we haven't actually done yet. We've done a lot of these, so I've just been going down and trying to figure out which ones have given me a lot of trouble in the past and that I haven't done in a while. So that's the route we're going for this time. This is my brother's account, by the way, because he has premium. So just because he did it doesn't mean I did it, and vice versa. Alright, so we're trying meeting rooms 2. Given an array of meeting time intervals for interval I is equal to start end, return the minimum number of conference rooms required. Okay. I have a vague memory of how this is done. I think so we have a bunch of intervals with these, right? Return the minimum number of conference rooms required. Okay, first thought is, how do we know which rooms to place into conference rooms first? It's by their start time, right? So I think it'll be a good idea to sort the intervals by their start time. Let me write all this down first. Sort intervals by start time. Okay, so you put them one by one. You sort them. I think you remove them one by one and then put them into some sort of data structure. And then for each next interval that you want to put into a meeting room, how do I know which meeting room to take over? I think we can have a priority queue, right? To store the intervals that are currently in meeting rooms. The ones with higher priority are the ones where the end time is the least. Yeah, because that has the higher likelihood of being finished. Yeah, okay. Yeah. We can increase our likelihood of finding a meeting interval that's about to finish through that. So we also have a priority queue, a heap, sort by end time, least equals highest priority. Yeah, okay. Return minimum number of conference rooms required. Okay. And then whenever we process an interval, we will keep track of our greatest number of heap size, I guess. Yeah, okay, that sounds like a plan. Hi, Mercer Cruz. Hello. How you doing? Okay, that sounds like a plan. So... Man, I forgot to store intervals. How do we do this? Collections dot sort intervals. Can we take a comparator here? Java collections sort with comparator. I think you can do that, right? Yeah, here, comparator. Okay. Hey, Marissa. How you doing today? Pretty fine, some issues with Twitch. Wait, really? Is it on my side? Oh. Something happening with Twitch. Chat. Spinny eyes. Oh, spinning
Oh, wait.
maze. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on either. Oh well, I'll just continue with this. Intervals. Man, I already forgot how comparators work. I'm so glad I'm reviewing this. Comparator.comparing. Java comparator.comparing. Comparator.comparing. Man, I already forgot how all this works. Comparator.comparing. Merce says, well, the vid didn't load, and when it did, it was like 1 FPS with like 144p. I see. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that then. It's okay. You can watch the YouTube one. Comparing. I guess we have an interval here. And then we sort it by what? Interval 0, I guess. Deepak says hi. Hi Deepak, how you doing? Long time no see. Did I do this right? I'm gonna do a sanity check. See if I even sorted it right. ln. So for every int interval in intervals, we will print out the interval. Intervals. Wait, no, interval. Arrays.toString. Interval. Okay. This is what we need. And as a bogus return value, we will return -1 for now. Run. We should be using arrays.sort. Okay. Oh, it actually works. 0, 5, 15. Okay, very good. Did you take a break of 3 days? 2, 7. Yeah, I did. There's a reason for that. So on Friday, there was a... Wait, did I take a 4-day break? Yeah, I took a 4-day break. Wait, actually no. I streamed on Saturday. Wait, hold on. I streamed on Sunday too. But it... Excuse me, it's not Leetcoding though. Yeah, I had an interview yesterday at 9:30 in the morning, so I couldn't make it to the stream yesterday. Yeah. You guys want to hear some sad interview stories? I was interviewing for this medium-sized company. They do data analytics. I actually made it through the first... No, wait. I made it through every single interview round. Yeah. And then after I passed all the interview calls, the recruiter called me and he was like... He really made it seem like they wanted to make me an offer, like, he was like, yo, we're probably gonna give you an offer letter next week or something. Yeah. And then I was like, oh, I was so excited. I was like, awesome, sounds good. And he's like, you did really well on all your interview rounds. You, like, the interviewers really liked you. Yeah, we're gonna totally give you an offer, most likely. Okay, fast forward 1 month, and then he started being like, okay, so here's what's going on. You're sort of competing. We are sort of moving into the team matching phase now. Yeah, emphasis on most likely. He was like, okay, we're moving into the team matching phase now. This is a week later. And he was like, okay, there's 2 positions. And he said something like, there's 2 positions. It's you and one other engineer. Most likely you guys are competing for the same one position, but maybe if one of you doesn't make it, we'll put you in the other position. Ideally, we'll hire both of you at once. So I was still really hopeful, right? But then at this point, I was like, wait, it sounds different now. Wait, it's like, wait, it's starting to sound like I might get an offer and I might not get an offer at the same time. And I started getting worried, like, okay, wait, sounds kind of fishy. And I remember I had to ping the recruiter one time too, because it was like a week without an update. Whatever. And then fast forward another week, and then he called me and he was like, we decided to go with the other candidate. Like, unfortunately, unless he rejects the position, we don't have any position for you. It's like, what the frick? No. No. I literally passed every single interview round. Really? And you're still not gonna hire me? Really? No. That was so sad. That was like the first company I passed all the interview rounds for. And I lose it at the team matching phase. God damn it. Like, what else am I supposed to do? Why did you even make me interview if you didn't want me in the first place? Oh well. Team matching, right? But yeah, that was the sad part. I literally passed every single interview round. I made it through all the on-site interviews, which took like 5 hours that day. Yeah. And then I managed to get through the system design interviews somehow. Yeah. No. The freaking team matching phase. God damn it. It's okay. I'm interviewing for some other companies. But yeah, I feel like the recruiter really led me on. He really made it sound like I was gonna get an offer, like the first week. And then the second week was like, okay, you might get an offer and you might not get an offer actually. It's like, wait, this is starting to sound a little fishy. And then the third week is like, we went with the other candidate. No, I literally passed every single interview round. No. Oh well, there's more interviews to come. It's okay. Grismron Sin says, Lamau, your avatar. I know, right? My glasses are pretty sick, right? Now I am getting fear. Don't worry, Deepak. I'm sure you're fine. I'm not very good at interviews, so... Okay, by the way, I can't believe this worked. Even I had interviewed for an intern position. Oh, how did that go? I can't believe this worked, by the way. Sorting it like this. 27, 05, 15. It actually worked, alright. So now we need a priority queue. Priority queue. We'll take in an interval. That. Sure. Priority queues can do this too. We believe in you, chat. Oh, thank you, Marissa. It's very nice of you. Priority queue int. Let's call this just PQ is equal to new priority queue. Sure. Oh, I want to put a comparator here. Comparator.comparing. And we're sorting it by the end, right? Interval. Yeah, we're sorting it. We want to pop up the interval that expires the fastest. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Deepak says, all 3 rounds went good. When I texted HR, she told, you are selected, but we have another guy to interview. Wait, what does that even mean? You are selected? You are selected, but we have another guy to interview. Like, you passed everything, but they're like, hold on, we want to interview this other guy first to make sure you're the best. After that, we will send email regarding that. Oh, okay, so it's you versus another candidate too. Man, that really sucks. That's basically my situation too. Grisman says, hey, how old are you and what are you studying? Oh, I'm 25. I'm not in college in case you're wondering. I'm studying Microsoft interview questions currently because I'm currently job hunting for software engineering positions. I'm doing a problem called missing meeting rooms right now, where given a bunch of meeting times, return the minimum number of conference rooms required to host those meeting rooms. Yeah. Okay, for all these intervals, what do we do now? Okay, so if the priority queue is empty, if pq dot is empty, then we just pop it in, right? Oh, hey, Bochi. Hi. Man, you really stuck around after the 3 battle, huh? I appreciate it. If pq dot is empty, then you just add it in, right? Pq dot add interval. Am I the only one who thinks that people born 1999 or earlier are all at least 90 years old? Wait, yeah, the 1900s sound like a whole nother century, right? By the way, I said I was 25, right? I was born in 1999. Literally the last gen that century. Jesus. Add interval. Alright, so else, that means PQ is not empty here. PQ, not empty. Okay. How do priority queues work again? Is it peak? Java priority queue. Peak. Oh, it's peak, okay. Grisman says, bro, your avatar thing is cute and funny, Lamau. Thank you. By the way, good luck for your interviews. Thank you. I can expand my 3D model a little. This is me, look. My hair is sparkly too. I have those anime nerd glasses. You can see my eyes from this tier too. I can blink. Okay, so if the priority queue is not empty, what do we do here? We peek at the top room, right? The arms! Wait, yeah, I have Doraemon arms. Okay, int, Gurusman says, I am preparing for Microsoft too, currently in 2nd year of a 3-year degree. Oh, good luck, man. So this stream might actually help you. This is a Microsoft question I'm doing right now. And, what do you do this? Let's call this room. This is the room that's most likely to expire soon. Is equal to pq.peak. Peak doesn't actually get the element, right? Okay. Int room end time is equal to room dot just 1, I guess. Okay, I think we have to be careful here. The end time, if the end time is less than my start time, then we're good to go, right? If room end time is less than interval, this is the start time. Can it be greater than or equal to? Let's just say it can be greater than or equal to, sure. Yeah, most, I think. Okay, what happens if the room end time is less than or equal to interval? Then we pop it out, right? Room dot pop. Or is it poll? Forgot. It's poll, right? Priority queue has really weird names. Poll. Yeah, it's poll. Yeah, and it removes too. Okay. So poll. So we remove the last room, and then we put our interval in pq dot add. Is priority queue adding? Yeah, it's priority queue add. Add the current interval. Okay. And else, if you can't remove if you cannot remove a room to add my interval in, then you add my interval in directly, right? Else pq.add interval. We could probably simplify this, make it prettier, because we do duplicate work here, but I think it's easier to read like this. Else if can't remove a room. Okay. Marissa says, also, by the way, I'm sorry I wasn't in your stream on Saturday. Oh, no worries, no need to apologize. That was actually in a really weird time. I streamed during 4 p.m. PST, but I usually don't stream during that time. So, no worries. Okay, I'm so paranoid. Is this even gonna work? Should I do some sanity checks? System.out.println. Even I missed your stream? Dang. Oh, no, don't worry. But again, it was in a really weird time because I was originally going to battle CJ in Leetcode during that time, but some schedule conflict happened and CJ couldn't make it, so I just streamed coding Microsoft questions by myself. Yeah. Okay. I'm so paranoid. Is this gonna work? Okay, let's print out system.out. Time for a bunch of sanity checks. So we have current interval. Okay, what do we do here? Should we? We're adding it no matter what, right? So right, okay. Let's print if I got a notification at 3 a.m. in the morning about your stream. Yeah, it's really late. So no worries if you couldn't make it on Saturday. Print ln the room, I guess. Removing room plus arrays.toString the room. Okay, let's run this thing. Oh, what's going on? An extra parentheses expected. Why? Oh, I have an extra semicolon. Room.poll. It's pq.poll. Okay. That is so ugly, holy. I can't read that. Arrays.toString. Run. Okay, so we first read 030, right? There's nothing to remove from the queue. And then we add 510. The room in the beginning. 0 to 30 hasn't ended yet, so we put it into the queue. And then we go to 1520. And we're like, okay, has 510, has the conference from 5 to 10 finished yet? Yes, so we remove that and then we add 1520. Guru Simran says, bro, I'm subbing. Let's keep sharing each other's progress of Leetcode. Yeah, for sure. Thank you, I appreciate. What about this one? This looks good so far, by the way. 710. So we first look at 2.4, okay? And then 710, we can remove 2.4. You know what? I think we're on the right track. Okay. And then int is max rooms, right? It's equal to 0. Yeah, okay, so for every interval, we should check. We should keep updating our current max rooms. Max rooms is equal to math.max, our current max rooms with the current priority queue size. And at the end, you return max rooms. Max rooms run. Oh my god, it worked. Shizzle. Are we actually gonna get lucky today? Submit that thing. Hey, let's go. Rayan says, you make coding seem so relaxing and enjoyable. Really? I appreciate that. Sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's pure pain when you can't actually do it. Okay, I removed all the print statements, so let's submit again. Beats 12%. Do I have any more print statements? Nope, it's just slow as heck. Okay. It's fine. At least we got the answer. Why don't we just return pq.size? And there's no need for max rooms. It's exactly the same. Okay, whatever. I'm happy we got the answer. You don't actually need to simulate the process? Wait, really? You know what? Time to look at the editorial. Priority queues? Okay, that's probably what I'm doing right now. Watching this while studying for discrete structures exam. Yes, this is nlog n. Chronological sorting. Wait, it's all nlog n. Mine is nlog n too. I guess the sorting is nlog n, and then going through all of it is n. Wait, hold on. Separate out the start times and the end times in their separate arrays. Sort the start times and the end times separately. Okay? Note that this will mess up the original corresponding of start times and end times. They will be treated individually now. Oh wait, are we trying to calculate the number of overlapping ones? Is the one on the right from your PFP from over the pole? Oh, this one? Over the pole? On the right? You? Wait, where? Positioned at 13 milliseconds. Oh, okay. Are you talking about this thing? Position on the right from your PFP. Are you saying, is this picture me? No, it's not me. This is my brother's account, because he has premium. from before the little pull thingy. What? Is the one on the right from your PFP from over the pull? Oh, you mean this? Oh, shizzle. That's not good. Welp. But yeah, this is not my account. This is my brother's account because he has premium and I don't. Wait, this is actually really interesting. The editorial. Wait, I still don't know what you mean by positioned at 13 milliseconds. Oh. Oh, this thing? Yeah, that's me. That's my ranking in terms of time, I guess. Yeah. You know what? I'm really curious about this other solution. Approach one is priority queues. That's the one we did. Okay, what's the one with chronological ordering? Okay, we separate out the start times and end times in their separate arrays, sort them separately. We consider two pointers, which refer to start pointer and end pointer. The start pointer simply iterates over all the meetings, and the end pointer helps us track if a meeting has ended, if we can reuse a room. Okay. When considering a specific meeting pointed to by a start pointer, we check if this start timing is greater than the meeting pointed to by end pointer. Okay, if this is the case, then that would mean some meeting has ended by the time, okay. If a meeting has ended, then we increment, okay. Oh, okay. Repeat this process until start pointer processes all the meetings, okay. Okay, I think I'm starting to see it. It's really similar to that question that I failed, right? So you take all of your start times and you sort it. Take all of your end times. Yeah, plug it into all these arrays, and then we sort them, huh? We sort the end by, is this descending order? A minus B, A minus B. Oh wait, so no, it's an ascending order. It's an ascending order, okay. And then we have two pointers pointing to the sorted lists. We keep track of our used rooms, iterate over the intervals. Start pointer is less than intervals.length. So if the current start is greater than the end, meaning if there's a meeting that has ended by the time the meeting at start pointer starts, then used rooms minus used end pointer plus plus. Okay. Huh. Okay. This is like trying to find the amount of overlapping rooms, huh? And else that means we need to increase our used rooms and start pointer. Okay. Wait, actually, why are they doing this irrespective of whether a room is freed up or not? If a room got free, then this used rooms plus 1 wouldn't have any effect. Oh, okay. Used rooms is preserved, I guess. Okay. Sure, number of rooms is preserve. Oh, because you take out that room that's already finished, and then you put yourself in. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, you know what? That makes sense. Alright, I think I see it. Yeah, that makes sense. Sorting my start and end, huh? Yeah, that's really similar to the sorting, find the max point in intervals per question. Okay. You know what? I think I'm going to mark this question down for review, but I want to try it with 6253. I don't want to try it with my usual method. I'm going to try it with the method that I just read. Okay, more questions. Integer to English words? No hard questions, please. Longest happy string, we've done that very recently. Longest substring without repeating characters. I think we've done that really recently too. Leetcode 3. Leetcode 3. Yeah, we did this really recently, right? Longest substring without repeating characters. we literally take every single substring, right? Submissions, 7 milliseconds. Oh wait, this is sliding window. Oh wait. Oh, I remember. We keep expanding our right pointer until we have a repeating number, right? And then we slide our left window. Okay, yeah. Marissa says, wait, if this is done with your brother's account, then is he also coding? This one? Oh, he is also Leetcoding too. He's job searching too. Okay, this is kind of confusing to explain, but I'm logged into my own Leetcode account on Chrome, which is this window. This window is Microsoft Edge. I'm logged into my brother's Leetcode on this one. So this is Chrome, my account. This is Microsoft Edge, my brother's account. Yeah, I use 2 different browsers so I can open 2 Leetcode accounts at once on stream. Grisron says, in the accepted section in the runtime section, click on the leftist poll to see the best solution. Oh, in the accepted? In the runtime, in the accepted section, in the runtime section. Huh? What? In the accepted section, so it's this one. Solve the 3, 4, 8. I'm so confused. In the accepted. Oh, the first blue poll, this one? Oh. Oh, I didn't know you can do this. Wait, that's so cool. It literally tells you the best solution. Okay. In Java too. Oh shoot. That's so cool. Wait. What did they do here? So, okay, they got all the start times and end times, right? Right? They plug it all in, fill it all up, raise.sort. Wait, this is so... I didn't know this was a feature. Okay, so they sort all the start times and end times. They store rooms and end time index. What's end time index? End time index. Okay, That's probably the pointer to n times, right? Okay. So for every single interval, if start times is less than n times, if start time is less than the current end time, meaning the next room, well, my room hasn't ended yet. Yeah, you haven't met an end time yet. Then rooms plus plus, else end time next plus plus, return rooms. That is clever. Yeah. All right. Dang, bro. This type of solution is the type of solution it's like, I don't understand. I would not think of this solution at first, but then when you read it, it's like, oh, I kind of see how it works. Yeah. You have... I actually knocked you guys. Yeah, you just kind of have almost like I don't know, like a stream, right? Just yelling at you constantly whenever a room is starting or a room is ended. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right. Next question. Container with most water. Spiral matrix, we've done that. Jump game. Have we done this? Set matrix zeros, we've definitely done. Jump game. Have we done jump game? $55. Leetcode 55. Marissa says, is there a difference if there is less coding and more coding with the same solution, except of course the length of the code? Less coding and more coding with the same solution. Oh, when you say same solution, do you mean like the same runtime and the same storage? Probably not then. Your ranking will probably be the same. Oh, what microphone do you have? Such a funny question. I have Linus Tech Tips microphone. This one. Oh, the outcome. Oh, so when you say the same solution, the same outcome, less coding and more coding. No, I don't think Leetcode measures how long your code is. It measures it by how long it runs and how much storage you use. Yeah. But I guess in practice, I don't know, I guess it depends. Some people can write really, really short code, but then it's really difficult to read because it's like really hacky and cleverly designed. I think when you're in the industry, that's not good. Your code should be readable. Oh, that's a really good question. Yeah, I think it depends. If your code is so short because you use really hacky methods, and nobody can read your code, then that's not good. But you should try to strike a balance, I think. Make your code readable and as concise as possible at the same time. You know, concise enough that, you know, it's not like 1,000 lines of code, but also still clear enough that people who don't understand the code can hopefully still read it and build off on it. Oh yeah, in case you're wondering what microphone I have this one. Why is everyone buying this mic? Linus Tech Tip said that this mic was decent and it's pretty affordable, so I got it. Well, actually I didn't buy it myself. My brother got it for me. I think it was for Christmas last year, or my birthday, I forgot. Do you do game development? I have used Unity, and I know how to use some Unreal Engine. Yeah. It's been a while since I used Unity though, and I only use Unreal Engine for like animation purposes. Yeah, I used to make... Which one? Can't see the microphone? Oh, I'm so sorry. I realized I was on the wrong screen. This is the hassle of having two web browsers open at the same time. It's the Fafine A6T. Wait, I literally have the box here right now. Yeah, A6T. Yeah, Fafine A6T.
Hey, Meta.
This one. You know, it's like a pretty relatively cheap mic. Fafine A6T, yeah. It's a relatively cheap microphone, and it sounds decent. I think it sounds decent too. Okay, jump game. Have I done this recently? I did this back in September. It's October now. September, November. You know what? Let's try this again. Sure, let's try this again. It's been a while. I don't remember the solution. Jump game. You are given an integer array nums. Why are your YouTube ads better for me in Germany? They are complete trash and like a minute long. Sometimes when there are 2 ads, I have a minute and 30 seconds of ads. Really? That's really rough. I have noticed some differences in YouTube ads recently. They seem to go faster for some reason. I don't know if it's the illusion of the progress bar on the bottom, but somehow it seems faster. I'm not sure why. Okay, you are given an integer array nums. Your voice is so soothing, but oh, thank you, Guru Smran. You are initially positioned at the array's first index, and each element in the array represents your maximum jump length to that position. Return true if you can reach the last index, or false otherwise. 348. Guru Smran says 348. Oh, right, you were suggesting that, sorry. Leetcode 348. Design tic-tac-toe. And it's a premium question. Oh, right. This one, right? Okay, perfect. It's a Microsoft question too. Oh. Assume the following rules are for a tic-tac-toe game on an n by n board. So it can be more than 3 by 3? Okay. I'm looking at this screen, by the way. A move is guaranteed to be valid and is placed on an empty block. Okay. Once a winning condition is reached, once a winning condition is reached, no more moves are allowed. Huh, okay. A player who succeeds in placing n of their marks in a horizontal, vertical, or diagonal row wins the game. Implement the tic-tac-toe class. Okay, n initializes the object the size of the board n. Int move indicates that the player with ID player plays at the cell, row, column of the board. The move is guaranteed to be a valid move, and the 2 players alternate in making moves. Return 0 if there is no winner after the move. 1 if player 1 is the winner after the move, or player 2 is the winner after the move. Oh, okay. Very interesting. Okay, how do we do this? I feel like we need a 2D array to represent the board. Sure, the 2D array will be n by n, of course. Row, column. This is really interesting. So we definitely don't need to check every single row and column for a, that's completely filled up. We only need to check the row and column that the player put their piece on, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, we only need to check the row and column that the player puts their piece on. So if a player puts their piece on row and column, we check their... Yeah, we check the entire row if it's completely filled up, and we check the column if it's completely filled up. Okay, how do we do it for diagonal rows? How do we tell if it's even on a diagonal row? If the row and column are the same, right? That's how we do it. Can you only make it on a really big diagonal row? Yeah, okay. Let's assume it's only the big diagonal rows and not just any diagonal row, or else that'll be really... Yeah, if it can be on any diagonal row, then you can just put it on a corner and you'd win, so that wouldn't work. So the row and column has to be the same. And if both the row and column are the same, then you check all rows and columns are the same, right? Yeah, okay. I think that's how we'll do it. Let's go. So we will make a 2D array int board. And in the constructor, we will do board is equal to new int n, and like this. Yeah. Okay. So the move. I guess we should check the row first, right? Check the row for a win. Or let's see. The row for a win. Okay, so int. So we should be moving our column. Okay. Int column is equal to, sure, C is equal to 0, while C is... Oh, see you for now, Marissa. Thanks for stopping by. While C is less than... how many columns are there? Board, 0. Oh, it's n by n, so just board.length. C++. Oh, we need to track the player too. Okay. Oh, that's true. Thanks, Chris Brown. Yeah, I need to put the actual piece on the board, right? Okay. Okay, the move is guaranteed to be valid and is placed on an empty block, so... Okay, we don't need to validate check. We don't need to do any validation here. Okay, so we'll just do board, row, column is equal to the player. Nice, okay. And then we check every single, the entire row. So if board, row, column is not equal to the player, that means we don't have it. Should we move this to all Huh. Wait, why am I blanking out on this logic? We don't return false immediately. We need to store our stuff somehow. Boolean. If it's a row win, equals false by default. Sure, row win is equal to true by default, and if we see that it's not a row win, then row win is equal to false. Yeah. Yeah, and if it's a row win, then you return true. Else you keep going. Yeah, okay. I like this so far, okay. And then you check the column. Boolean column win is equal to true. Guru response says you use 3 loops, I guess, for rows, columns, and diagonals for each row. I don't think you need to check every single row and column, just the one that your piece lands on. Because there's no way you're affecting the win in the rows where your piece is not on. So, okay, so this is for checking the column that you're on. So we'll have to move a row. For r is equal to 0, r is less than board dot length, r plus plus. Okay. We'll copy this here. If the current position R in column is not equal to the player, then column win is equal to false. Gurisman says, do we need 3 circles or a cross to win? Do we need 3 circles? Oh, you mean 3 loops? I think we need 3 loops, yeah. Check diagonals and stuff. Or cross to win. I don't know what you mean by cross. So if column win is equal to true, then you return true, else you keep going. Okay, now is the place where we check the diagonals. You know, should we do a sanity check first? Return player. Should we do a sanity check before we check the diagonals? To do check diagonals. The player moves, i.e. the X or 0. Because I was thinking we only check the rows and columns and diagonals that the current player plays their move on, and then we can store the current winner, you know? Is there only one winner at any given time? Once a winning condition is reached, no more moves are allowed. Okay, so our move is guaranteed to create a win then, right? Yeah, okay. Our move is either guaranteed to make a win or there's no winner. So it's impossible for the other player to have a win here. That's what I think. Deepak says, can you tell me the BG music name? Oh, that is a good question. The BG music name, it doesn't have a name. I made this music myself. You can hear a snippet of it online though, Astro Boy. Hi. be quiet. Okay, let me shut down my BGM for a bit. It's this one. Gurusman says, "No, bro, you are so me. I make music too." Yeah, this is my old VTubing account before I made a whole new account for Leetcoding. I made some music. Yeah, this music is procedurally generated with code, by the way. Yeah, I made this song. It's like, yeah, it's generated from code, from the displayed code over here. I used to be a music coder. Yeah. Alright, back to the video. Okay, else if it's a column win, return the player. Okay, let's run this thing. Cannot find symbol R. 26. Oh, and then you return 0 if there's no winner, right? Okay, run. The music from code? Yeah, music from code. Huh. It worked. We didn't even check the diagonals yet. Yeah, I used a library called title cycles. Wait, there's actually a whole genre of this type of video on YouTube. Title cycles, live coding. Live music coding. Title cycles. Yeah, people like use title cycles to make music. And you can like, oh, where do I even start with this? Title cycles is like a Haskell music coding library, and it's on the fly too. You can change the code and compile it in real time, and the music changes all in real time too. Yeah. This is my video too. I think some really popular artists or relatively popular, because it's really niche. Dan Gorelek is one of the more popular live coders, I think. And then Alex McLean. Alex McLean, I think he's the creator of Title Cycles. He has some good tutorials. There's also another live coding group called Crash Server. Crash Server. They use Fox.Python. Yeah, they're like a duo. Yeah, that's really interesting too. Two people coding at once. You need a bit of coordination to do that. Dude, we haven't even checked the diagonals and it's already passing. Let's break a diagonal case, right? Use test case, yeah. Move, move, move. Is this a diagonal case? 2, 1, 2. What's the expected? Expected 0, 0, 2. Player 2 wins. So 0, 0. Okay, so the top corner. Oh, okay, I see how. Yeah, this is a diagonal win that we missed. Yeah. Maybe we can watch one of my videos when I'm done with this question. Okay, check diagonals. So if the row is equal to the column, then we check the diagonals. Wait, hold on. If the row is equal to the column, yeah, then it's on the descending diagonal, right? That means it's the diagonal going like this, or like this. Like from top to down diagonal. So we can check this, I guess. While... Oh wait, I just realized. How do we know which diagonal to check? It shouldn't be that bad to check both, right? Okay, so while... Should we do a while? For d is equal to 0, d is less than 4 dot length, d plus plus, d is for the current diagonal spot. So if d is for d, so like 0, 0, 1, 1, we're going top to bottom diagonal, you know, is not equal to the player. This is Boolean diagonal win. Let's set it to... Man, what do we call this? Downward diagonal win is equal to true at first. Okay. You know, whatever, we'll just check it all. Downward diagonal win is equal to true. So we check everything. Downward diagonal win is equal to false. Alright. We also have the case where... Oh, this is the more complicated diagonal. We also have the upward diagonal, right? Boolean upward diagonal win is equal to true. How do we do this? The row starts from really high. Hold on, how do we do this? How do we check this other diagonal? Should we just check it regardless? Sure, okay, let's just check it regardless for now. Because the other one was like 0, 0, 1, 1. That's really easy. Sure, we'll just do for the other diagonal is equal to 0, 4 dot length, d plus plus. Okay, so the row starts at 1 pointer increments the other decrements. Yeah, that's a good point. for the up diagonal check. So we do board.length -1 minus d, I guess. Yeah, that looks right. I think that looks right. So the first one will start at the, yeah, this is right. Actually, I think this works. So if d is 0, then we start at board.length -1. Yeah, that works. While d is less than board.length. So the max this can go up to is board.length -1. So this can go to 0. Okay, this works. Yeah, this works. Okay, I'm just gonna go with this. If downward diagonal when is true, then return player. Man, I cannot type today. Else if upward diagonal when, return player. Yeah, okay. Else return 0 otherwise. Okay. Run. I forgot to instantiate my variables. Run. No, why? Huh? How is it telling which wind it made though? Oh man, what a hassle. Is it going based off of the diagonals? So apparently I'm saying it's waning even though it's not waning. Is it because the diagonals? DD is not equal to player. Uh-oh, what is going on here? Also, my phone is running out of battery. Fantastic. Okay, I think a good move would be... Yeah, it's really hard to debug now. Remove the row equals column check, I guess. Yeah, we don't really need this, right? Wait, it works now? Was that it? Really? Really? Wait, why? Oh, wait, Grisman, you were right. Because if the row is not equal to the column, then downward diagonal when it's always true, and then we return true. Yeah. Oh, it's true by default, and we never bothered without just set it to false. God damn it. Well, you really saved my butt there, thank you. Yeah, the row equals column ruined it. All right. What if we put it here, like if row is equal to column? Downward diagonal win. Man, I feel like my code is way too long. It's like not very nice. How do I make this shorter? I mean, I don't think I want to spend time making it shorter, but I'm just trying to think. How would I make it shorter? We definitely need to check the rows and all the columns. The diagonal should be optional. Hmm. I feel like this is the right move. If it's not even on a possible diagonal, then we don't check it. If row is equal to column, else downward diagonal win is equal to false. Is this going to be any faster? 11%, okay. Yeah. Make functions. That's not going to make it faster though. I'm trying to think about how to make it faster. So this made it a bit faster since we don't need to check the diagonal anymore here. Upward diagonal win. This one, how do we know if it's on a like upward diagonal? Maybe count from the bottom. If it's something to do with the relation from the end, right? So minus d or minus the row, I guess, is equal to d. Is equal to column. Is that how you do it? Okay, I need to do some scratch paper here. Okay, so if it's here, then the column is 0. So we take the board dot length minus 1 minus, oh yeah, that's what we do, minus the row. Then we do this. And then if we don't need to check it all, then return false. Is equal to false. We don't need to check the board if the board is not full yet. No, I disagree. You can have wins even if the board is not full. Yeah, what if someone just gets 3 in a row, you know? That's not, you didn't fill up all 9 squares yet. Gurisman says, give your Discord, bro. We'll solve problems together someday. I will love to solve with you. Oh. Should I give out my Discord? Is that safe to do online on stream? I don't know. Is it safe to give out my Discord? I really don't know. The problem says you need to fill the 9 squares. Does it? I don't think it does. The n? No, but look here. So this is a 2, right? This is a 4x4 square. You only made 3 moves and you won. No, I don't think you need to fill all the squares. See, this is a 2x2, right? There's 4 squares. They only made 3 moves and they won. So I don't think that's accurate. Once a winning condition is reached, no, okay. You know what? What do they do here? Row count. Oh. Oh, they store the counts of each row. God damn it. Oh. Bro, I see what they're doing. 'Cause each move is guaranteed to be valid, right? So you don't need to do any validation. Not all the squares. If player's moves is equal to n, then check. Oh. Okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Yeah. If n is equal to 4 and they only made 3 moves, then it's impossible for a win, right? I see. Yeah, so they're storing the counts in each row and column. Yeah, because you don't need to handle any validation, right? Oh, that's kind of clever. I feel so dumb for putting this question down for review, but I probably need to. So this is the 3, 4, 8. Dang, so you only store the counts and then you just count them up. God damn it. Okay. The player to increment player equals 1, then 1, else negative 1. Okay. Row count row plus equals increment. Okay, so one player decreases it, one player increases it. Got you, okay. Hmm. Hmm. Honestly, I'm not sure if I want to give out my Discord. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about that. Sorry. I don't really give out my Discord to like new people that I meet immediately, you know? Yeah, sorry about that. It's just a personal thing. Okay. So row plus column is equal to the forward diagonal. Row plus column is equal to n minus 1. How does that work? Oh, I see. Never mind, I see. Like if it's a 4, 4 column, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 0 is part of that. Ah, I see. All right. These are some good problems today. These really rack my brain. Okay. We've done 2 medium problems today. Okay. It's time for system design. Chris Ron says, no issues, man. We'll solve problems through YouTube chat. Yeah, thanks for your understanding, man. You're a really good sport. I appreciate that. Okay, it's time for a segment that I call system design. We put that in the YouTube thing, right? We can't have no clickbait. Although I'm not gonna lie, I'm really close to hopping off right now in my brain. Okay, we were learning how to build YouTube, right? With system design. Which part do we leave off on? Oh, the design deep dive, right? Okay. Okay, this is the part of the stream where I'll probably be a bit more quiet because I'm just reading and taking notes. Hmm. Hmm. Bit rate is the rate at which bits are processed over time. Higher bit rate generally means higher video quality. High bit rate streams need more processing power and faster internet speed. Okay. Hmm. Oh wait, we learned about this, the DAG. Wait, didn't we finish this last time? System optimizations. Oh, here. Parallelized video uploading. We can split a video into smaller chunks by GOP alignment as shown. What's GOP? What is GOP alignment? GOP1, GOP2. What is GOP in video processing? Group of pictures. Oh, group of pictures. So it's like chunks of a few frames or a few seconds long, I guess. This allows fast resumable uploads when the previous upload failed. I see. Yeah, if one of these chunks fails, we can just easily resume them, and then we combine them together at the end. Place upload centers close to users. Ah, I see. I see. Yes, if you place your servers close to the user's geographic locations, it'll be faster to connect, I believe. Okay. CDN as upload centers. Oh, so they use CDNs for both caching the videos and uploading the videos too, huh? Okay. How message queues make the system more loosely coupled. What does loosely coupled mean in this context? Loosely coupled. Depend on each other to the least extent practicable. Practicable, okay. Practicable, okay. Before the message queue is introduced, the encoding module must wait for the output of the download module. After the message queue is introduced, the encoding module does not need to wait for the output of the download module anymore. If there are events in the message queue, the encoding module can execute those jobs in parallel. Oh. Wait, is this from splitting up the video into multiple GOPs too? If there are events in the message queue, the encoding module can execute those jobs in parallel. Okay, sure. Safety optimization. We introduce pre-signed URLs. Okay. Why do we need such security for videos though? Once the client receives the response, it uploads the video using the pre-signed URL. Okay. Oh, okay, so this is for copyright. Safety optimization, protect your videos. Apple Fair Play, okay. This ensures that only authorized users can watch an encrypted video. Okay, sure. Visual watermarking. Okay. How do we... Yeah, CDN is expensive. Only serve the most popular videos from CDN and other videos from our high capacity storage video servers. Okay, that makes sense. Popular content. Short videos can be encoded on demand. Okay. Build your own CDN. Wrap up. Okay. I think I understand generally what's going on. We might need to read this again to actually absorb the information, but this is good for now. Systems I was so short today. Okay, I think I'll stop the stream here then. My brain is fried. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you, Gurus Simran. I feel like I've been mispronouncing your name the entire time. Gurus Simran? Yeah. Thanks everyone for coming. I appreciate it. I'll hop off for now. See ya. Gurus Simran. Gurus Simran. I see. Cool. See ya.